Welcome to Peoria, Arizona. We're about to take a tour of this amazing new build home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 6-car garage. That's right, 6 cars in a great location. So we're super close to the 101. Lots of shopping, dining, a great location out here in beautiful Peoria, Arizona. As we take a walk on through this amazing, gorgeous home, I'm super excited to show you the features, the modern design, and the coziness. If you have any questions, please always feel to reach on out. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, and follow my channel. We are out here throughout the valley, showing you amazing opportunities, trying to help you find the perfect home. Come on through. Good morning and welcome to Peoria, Arizona. So we are in a pretty great location out here in Peoria. It is centrally located to everything, freeway, shopping. We're pretty close to Cactus High School, Centennial High School, Arrowhead Mall, the 101, lots of dining, lots of things to do. This is a beautiful gated community out here in Peoria called Acoma Estate. And this home just hit the market. It's extremely beautiful inside, lots of high-end upgrades. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a den. It also has this amazing 6-car garage, which includes an RV garage. So it is move-in ready and just absolutely amazing. As we walk on through, you're going to notice all the upgraded cabinets, beautiful flooring, and this one also does have a pool. So it's a move-in ready home, and it's one that you definitely want to see. This home right here, the HOA weighs about $155 a month, but again, you are in a gated community, in a great area. There's lots of paths in here, fun things to do in the area. I personally love Peoria. There's a lot of growth out here, a lot of different businesses moving to this area, so lots of room to expand depending on your family's needs. All right, so the front yard has some amazing turf and all the landscaping has been done. So sometimes in the new build homes you won't have any landscaping, so it's an extra expense. So it's always great when you find a home that has that done. They also pavered the driveways, and you do have a lot of parking out here. So you have that large driveway right there headed to the RV garage, and then you have this double driveway heading into the 2-car garage on the left. Another great feature of this home would definitely be the black windows. Oh, I love them. Black windows in a home just make it look more clean, more elegant, more high-end. Definitely more luxury bound. And as we walk through, you're going to see they did a lot of amazing touches to the home, including the floors. They're just beautiful. And you have that dynamic entryway, coffered ceilings. This has all the exotic lighting. And this is your foyer as you enter. So it's super pretty. It has a lot of moments. You have enough room to put a welcome area with seating. We'll start up front. So up front you have 2 full bedrooms and a full bathroom. And the bedrooms are a great size, as you can see. And the neighborhood's just pretty, so a lot of homes with the RV garages, which is nice. And it's a brand new community. This home was just built in 2025. As we come up front over here, you have another bedroom. So the bedrooms are pretty good size. Nice large rooms. You have plenty of space to add some more bureaus, a desk, toys, of course. And they do have the nice tall doorways. Here's your closet. So pretty good sized closet. You could definitely add some more shelving in. Make it more your own. And storage, let's check out the storage. So it's a brand new home, so they were thinking of everything. A nice deep linen closet. And again, this is a beautiful home. If it's a one you want to see, you want a personal tour, have questions, please reach out. I would love to help you purchase this home. It's a great find, especially with the RV garage. I have a lot of clients that love that. We don't have a lot of basement homes in Arizona, so having that extra space out in the garage is amazing. And then if you have toys, off-road vehicles, trailers, you definitely have space for it in that RV garage. So up front, they do have a full-size laundry room. It's a pretty good size. And they just did a fun job with the flooring. So this flooring is a tile right here. So all the wet areas have a nice tile look. And then you have the wood in the main corridors. So we will take a look next at the RV garage. And again, 6 cars can fit in this garage, which is pretty amazing. So you have insulated doors. This little indent. We had a home similar to this, and my husband turned this into his man cave, put a pool table. We had air conditioner out here. It was super fun. And this one has double doors. So you have a large RV garage door back here. And then you have another one up there. So you can drive right on through, which is super nice. And they went ahead and they finished all the floors. So this one's definitely a move-in ready. Not much you have to do on this one. Nice tall ceilings. All right, so we're gonna go back into the house and check out the amazing kitchen. It is gorgeous. Wait till you see the cabinets in there. They added a little unique look to the cabinets, which I like. All right, I'm gonna tease you a little bit right there. Boom. And first we're gonna start off over here. So they have this set up as a den. You could have it as a den, a formal, possibly another bedroom if that's something you needed. They did do the fancy doors. So you have nice French doors into that office space. And this home does have the surround sound throughout, meaning we have speakers up here on the ceiling, so you can hook up your receiver and have music playing throughout the home, which is nice. This is a great size room. And as we walk in, we're going to admire this kitchen and take a minute to take it all in. So you have high-end monogram appliances, gas cooktop, super-sized island. And they did do the glass up top. So I love the two-tone. They did the wood up top and the wood at the bottom, and then did kind of a cream color in the middle, so it looks really pretty. And you do have a pharma sink right here. You have your little wine station there, coffee bar set up. So the kitchen is absolutely stunning. You have that walk-in pantry. And Costco is pretty close. I want to say it's about 10 minutes down the road. So if you're not familiar with the area, you're not in the middle of nowhere in this part of Peoria. So you have lots of restaurants and shopping and a lot of car dealerships. I know Porsche just moved close by. So if you need a car, if you need food, if you just want to have a nice night out, everything's about 10-15 minutes tops. I mean, depending on the day, you could probably get there a little quicker. So I love the neutral tones. This is definitely a more modernized house. Out with the grays, in with the neutrals. This home does feature those amazing beams up top, which gives it a super unique feel. And again, we are in Peoria, Arizona, guys, and this house is a must-see. All right, so we're going to head on over here. I'm going to point out some more storage areas. See if this great closet right here. You could put all your Christmas decor in there. Or extra, you could put the husband's clothes in there if you need that big old closet in the primary. That's what would happen to mine. My husband's clothes would definitely go in there. And this is your half bath for guests. So they did do a nice job. That's a nice, beautiful tile. Very pretty. And they herringboned it all the way up, ceiling to floor. And then back here is your private ensuite, which again features the coffered ceiling and the beams. So it's super pretty, super cozy. So if you're looking to purchase a home or you just have questions on what it would look like to sell your home, I'm always here giving free consults. So I do what's called a free buyer consultation. It takes you about 30 minutes, sometimes 45 if we're having great conversation. I walk you through the process of buying, what you need to know, what you need to look for, how you get started. Step by step, I answer all your questions and even answer questions you might not even know exist yet. And they're pretty successful. Most of my buyers love the consultations because it makes the process a lot easier when you know exactly what to do. As for listing your home, same thing. I come in about 30 minutes. You don't even have to clean the house. I give you an evaluation of what you could list for, what that process would look like. Can you sell without buying? Can you buy without selling? Or do you need to sell to buy? What does a contingency look like? So there's so many aspects of home selling and home buying that I can answer all those questions for you and get you going to make sure that it's a smooth, easy transition. And speaking of that, we just have to take a breath and look at this primary bathroom. I'm dying. It's so beautiful. So they have gray quartz countertops with the beautiful wooden cabinetry. They did a great job. There's a magnificent soak-in tub right here. It's a nice deep one. And then of course your super walk-in shower. And again, all beautiful neutral colors. It's more tans right now. We're out with the whites and the grays, thank God. In with the browns and the warmth. And this home right here, we are in November, mid-November. You could be in this home in time for the holidays. So if you're thinking of buying a home and not sure what it would look like, how to do it during the holidays, it's actually the best time of year to get the best deal when you're buying. When you're buying a home, there's not a lot of other people out there buying a home during the holiday season. So you sometimes get the biggest bang for your buck that way if you're strategic. And again, if this is a home you want to see, comment below. I can get you in for a private tour, get you whatever info you need. And also, don't forget, subscribe, like, share my channel, share me with all your friends. Anyone that's thinking of buying or selling, share my info with them. I love chatting just to help out, answer questions. All right, so we're going to go check out the backyard. I do have my partner in crime out here helping. He is doing the drone version, which is always super fun. So if you're getting ready to list your home, you definitely want to make sure all your marketing is up to date and as modern as you can get, and drones are in. So we do indoor, outdoor drones. We do the full video marketing, social media marketing, open houses. We love to work for our clients and do whatever it takes to help you make it a smooth sale if you're selling, or a smooth purchase if you're buying. So what's great about this yard is it just has easy landscape and pavers, turf, plants, and a simple pool. So this pool is beautifully done. You have a lot of ledges to just relax on. It looks like they have a fountain back here. And yes, we are in a new build community, so they are building a couple of more homes. but the lots are pretty good size. Your lot on this one is just over 13,000 square feet. So it's definitely double to triple the size of a normal lot in Arizona. Most of the new builds, what the biggest complaint would be is they don't want the home on top of each other. Well, this one gives you the space. So your neighbors are way over there. And all single story, so lots of privacy on this beautiful property. All right, as we walk back this way, I'm going to bring you back through the garage. We've got that door open so you can see how cool it is. You can go from the front of the house to the back of the house right through this garage, which is always wonderful. We used ours when we had an RV garage for events. So you open up the doors, you set up your tables and chairs, and you can have parties for days in here. And again, this is just a beautiful, well done new build home. If you are in the market to buy, sell, comment below. This is my direct way of contact. My number is 623-210-0386. I'm always here to help, always excited to show you properties throughout the valley. And we post weekly, so we post new homes 3 days a week, tours throughout the valley, brand new builds to 100-year-old homes. And we do requests, so if you're interested in Buckeye or Tempe, Chandler, Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, anywhere in the valley, even up north, we do sell up north in the Prescott area. Please make sure you reach on out. I'd love to assist, love to help with interest rates coming down and it being a buyer's market in Phoenix. And remember, we are in November 2025, so as of right now, it is a buyer's market. I'm just here to answer those questions, and I hope you have an awesome day.